fix Venmo group payment split not working. So to fix a Venmo group payment or split that is not working, go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the Venmo app, and if you see an update button available right here, tap on update to get the latest version. Now if it says open, your app is already updated. Now the next what you can do is, if you are an Android device, go to your Android devices settings, then find apps, then find Venmo from the list, and then go to its storage, then tap clear cache. But if you are an iOS device, go to your iOS devices settings, then tap on general. Now tap on iPhone storage. Now find Venmo from the list, or just tap on the search bar at the bottom and then search for Venmo. Now tap upload app, then tap upload app one more time to confirm it. Once you do that, you will see the reinstall app button right here. Simply tap on it, or just go to your Apple App Store, find the Venmo app, and then re-download it from there. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.